Hey guys, welcome back to Thousand Islands Toyota. We are located at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. My name's Nina, and today I want to show you one of our pre-owned vehicles we have in stock. This is a 2018 Lexus IS 300. It's all-wheel drive, and this is the F Sport model. The color is called Imminent Pearl, and it's a white. This vehicle does have a 3.5 liter V6 engine and puts out 260 horsepower with 236 pounds per feet of torque. It's got a 66 liter fuel tank capacity, and that will get you fuel economy ratings of 12.3 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and then 9.1 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway. So the cool thing about this vehicle is you absolutely don't have to sacrifice a fun drive for the sake of luxury, and I'm going to show you what I mean. Let's hop in and take a look. Starting with the driver's side door panel, you've got your power windows, power door locks, and power exterior mirrors, and that's all standard. But because this vehicle does have the comfort package, you're also able to program preset seating and steering wheel settings for up to 3 drivers. Just to the left of your steering wheel, you have your automatic high beams, windshield wiper de-icer, blind spot monitor, and parking assist features. And because this is the F Sport model, you also get these really cool aluminum pedals. Honeycomb mats are also included for front and rear passenger. 10-way power adjustments on the driver's side with lumbar. Now this seat fabric is called New Luxe. It's meant to look and feel like real leather, however it does stay warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. And this is a heated and ventilated seat. It's nice and well bolstered, so it really gives you good support in the shoulder area and in the hip area when you're taking those turns. You've also got power, tilt, and telescopic steering wheel adjustments, and those of course can be incorporated into your memory presets as well. Now hopping in, you've got your standard push button ignition. And this is a heated steering wheel. And your heating element is basically located where your hands would naturally rest on the steering wheel. And your heating element will continually monitor and adjust the heating level to help maintain a set temperature. And it's also cushioned in this area where your hands would naturally rest. So it makes for even more of a comfortable drive. You've got your paddle shifters here if you like more of a sporty feel when you're driving. Included as well is the Lexus Star safety system, which includes your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, high-speed dynamic radar cruise control, and intelligent high beams, and those are all displayed in this LFA inspired instrument panel. Moving over to the center dash, you've got a 10.3 inch split screen multimedia display with voice activated navigation system. And I really like this analog clock in here. I think it looks super classy. You've got your dual zone climate control, which can be adjusted simply by tapping, and you can also use this smooth slide motion, which is really easy to navigate, I think, while you're driving. CD player also in this one. You've also got your Sirius XM satellite radio and Dolby Digital surround sound. So this Lexus has a proprietary Clarify technology, which gives you crisp, clear, and dynamic sound from any audio source. Moving down, you have your heated seat controls, ventilated seat controls for both the driver and passenger. And this is your heated steering wheel on and off button. Now, as you can see, that screen is quite a distance from the driver, so it would be near impossible to make this a touch screen. So they've thought of that, and they've integrated this cool mouse pad type of feature for adjusting and selecting on your screen there. So basically it's just a comfortable resting area for your arm, and you have all of your navigation features here and buttons and toggles. So it's really just super easy to get what you're looking for on the screen there. Of course, you have your eco, normal, and sport mode, traction control, on-off button, and snow mode for when we get that first snowfall. Hopefully that's later rather than sooner. In the center console, you have your 2 USB ports, your auxiliary input, and your power accessories outlet here. 2 cup holders. And in this as well, a power moonroof. So that was the inside of this Lexus IS300, and I can't wait to show you the outside. Let's take a look. All right, so take a look at the front of this vehicle. How cool is that? You've got LED headlamps, and then with this unique L-shaped illumination. This super cool front lighting system uses the steering angle and your speed sensors to direct your low beam headlamp around the corner of the vehicle as it enters a curve. Got a really nice sporty style front grille. And these are your parking assist sensors. So you've got some on the front and some on the back as well. And again, along with the comfort package, you get your automatic rain sensing wipers, 18-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels, integrated signal lamps on your exterior mirrors, roof-mounted shark fin antenna, of course your backup camera is also in there, and we pop open the trunk. It's quite a bit of cargo space actually. Are your rear parking sensors. So there is quite a bit of legroom for your rear passengers as well. You've got your heating and cooling vents in the back. Pockets on each of the rear seat backs. And your center armrest does fold down, and you pop out 2 additional cup holders just like that. And this again is your standard 60-40 split seat back. And those pop down so easily by just pulling that lever. And they click right back up into place just as easily. As you saw in the trunk, these headrests are removable. Alright folks, that was our pre-owned 2018 Lexus IS 300 in all-wheel drive, and this is the F Sport model. So if this is the type of vehicle that you are looking for, please give us a call at 613-342-9111 and one of our product advisors would be happy to assist you on a test drive. You can also visit thousandislandstoyota.com or email sales@thousandislandstoyota.com for more information on this vehicle. Thanks again for watching, and as always, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. I'm also always looking to improve upon these videos, so feel free to let me know what you liked and what you didn't like in this video in the comments section. Until then, take care and stay safe.